Hello there. In this video, I will show you how can you make so many sentences by continuous tense. You know very well about tense, so how can you make video by continuous tense? Okay, so maybe perhaps you know about continuous tense. Subject plus M is R plus B plus ing. Subject plus M is R plus B plus ing. So right now I will give you some example, and after giving example you will understand what am I telling to you. Okay, so আমি হাঁটতেছি, I am walking, আমি ভিডিও তৈরি করতেছি, I am making video, সে টেলিভিশন দেখতেছে, she is watching television, সে ক্রিকেট খেলতেছে, he is playing cricket, তারা ঘুরতেছে, they are traveling, তারা হাঁটতেছে, they are walking, তারা খেলতেছে, they are playing. Already you have got my point, what am I telling, and you should understand how can I make video, and after making video I hope you will understand my point. Okay, so like this way you can make so many sentences. Thank you so much.